There was a time when your children would call you for almost everything. They would call to share good news, to ask for advice, even just to talk about their day, especially your daughters. You were a part of their everyday life. But now, something has suddenly changed. They rarely call. Conversations with your children feel rushed. And sometimes there is almost nothing to talk about. Just silence and emptiness. And this has raised a lot of questions in your head, and you keep asking, are they too busy? Or am I no longer important? Those thoughts can be quietly very painful, even though they are not loud or dramatic. Many parents carry this pain silently, and most of them take this feeling of abandonment to their grave. According to research from the Pew Research Center, nearly 4 out of 10 parents say they don't hear from their adult children as often as they would like. If you are experiencing something like this presently, it does not mean you are failed as a parent, and it also does not mean your children don't care about you. It simply means that there is a misalignment in communication. To understand how to reconnect with them and improve your communication, we first need to understand why this shift happens in the first place. But before we look into the cause of this distance in communication, please take a moment to support this message so that it can reach more people who may need it. Like this video, share it with someone who may be going through this quietly, and subscribe for more honest and meaningful conversations like this. Here are 5 reasons why your adult children stopped calling. 1. They are building their own lives. As children grow into adults, their world expands. Work becomes demanding. Responsibilities multiply. What used to be a simple day now feels like a constant balancing act. In psychology, this stage is known as individuation, the natural process of becoming independent and forming one's own identity. For them, it is not about leaving you behind. It is about learning how to stand on their own. According to Khalil Gibran, your children are not your children. They came through you, but not from you. Sometimes, in trying to build their own lives, they don't realize how much distance they are creating. 2. They genuinely believe you are okay. This one is subtle, but very real. Many adult children, especially male children, look at their parents and think they have handled life before. They don't need me the way I needed them. So out of assumption, they don't check in as much as often. And this has nothing to do with negligence. Studies in family psychology shows that people often underestimate how much their presence matters emotionally to others. In their mind, everything is fine, but in your heart, it feels like something is missing. 3. Technology has changed the way communication used to be. Not long ago, connection meant real conversation, presence, physical engagement, quality time together. But today, everything has changed. Presently, connection often feels like a quick text, a reaction to a message. To your children, that may feel like staying in touch, but to you, it may feel distant and incomplete. When expectations don't match, even small gaps can start to feel very wide. Understand that this is not lack of love. It is a difference in how connection is expressed in modern day life. 4. They are carrying more than you can see. Life today moves fast and it demands a lot. Many adults are dealing with career pressure, financial stress, relationship challenges, mental exhaustion. In fact, global studies show rising levels of stress and anxiety among young adults. And when people feel overwhelmed, they don't always show it outwardly. And this is not because they don't care, but because they are trying to keep up and handle their struggles. Sometimes silence is not distance. Sometimes it is survival. 5. They don't fully realize how it affects you. This may be the hardest truth to accept. Your children may not truly understand how much you miss hearing their voice, how the silence feels from your side. And this is not because they don't love you. It is because it has not been clearly expressed. As the saying goes, Unspoken expectations often lead to silent disappointment. When something is not spoken, it often remains unseen. And when things remain unseen for too long, distance quietly grows without anyone intending it. This is not because love is gone, but because understanding is missing. But no matter what happens, family must never be apart. And the good news is, this distance is not permanent. There are simple, powerful ways to rebuild and revive that connection without forcing it and without damaging the relationship. Here are 5 powerful ways to reconnect and rebuild a stronger relationship with your adult children immediately. 1. Create a consistent family connection time. Every evening, choose a particular time, maybe from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., or even just 20 to 30 minutes, depending on everyone's schedule. You don't need to meet physically. You can use Zoom, Google Meet, or even Teams. Set up a consistent meeting session with your children and their families if they are married. It doesn't always have to be 1 full hour. What matters most is consistency, not duration. You can have a short moment of prayer or reflection, a little praise and gratitude session, and a quick catch-up on how everyone's day went. It doesn't matter whether they are at home, driving, or busy. They can join with audio if needed. Trust me, if you practice this consistently, it will not just improve communication with your children, it will strengthen their own families and help everyone become more aware of what each person is going through. 2. Reach out gently, not emotionally. How you reach out to your children matters a lot. If your message carries guilt or frustration, it can further increase the distance. But if it carries warmth, it will strengthen connection. Instead of saying, "Why don't you ever call me?" try something like, "I was just thinking about you today and wanted to hear your voice." A small shift in tone can open a much bigger door for harmony and connection. 3. Express your feelings clearly, not silently. Your children cannot respond to what they don't know. Try saying something like, "I miss talking to you. It means a lot to me each time we talk." Research shows that clear and calm emotional expression strengthens relationships, while silence often creates misunderstanding. This is not about complaining. It is about being honest in a very gentle way. 4. Meet your children where they are. In today's fast-paced world, the way you approach your children may need to adjust. If they prefer texting, send them text messages. If you notice that their schedule is tight, suggest a specific time to talk to them. Flexibility does not weaken the relationship, it strengthens it. Always remember, connection grows best when both sides feel understood. 5. Always visit them and create moments together. Instead of waiting and hoping for calls, create a gentle structure. Be it a weekly visit when possible, a shared routine, or a regular moment to connect. Studies show that consistent, predictable contact strengthens relationships more than occasional effort. It removes uncertainty and builds stability. And when there is stability in communication, connection begins to feel natural again, not forced. That is when relationships start to heal quietly and grow stronger over time. Your children did not stop loving you. They stepped into a new chapter of life, a chapter filled with responsibility, pressure, and change. If this message spoke to your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video. Share it with another parent who might need this. Subscribe for more meaningful insights on life and relationships. And always remember, the bond between a parent and a child does not break easily. Sometimes, it just needs a little understanding and a gentle step forward.